Here's a recap for all our tips for the week. Here's how to sort a dictionary of data frames. Here's an example. First, import Pandas. Here's an example data frame. Now say sorted dict of df equals key colon df. Sort values by the column to sort by for key comma df in dict of df dot items to iterate over the dictionary, and that's it. Here's how to treat NaNs as zeros when adding two columns. First, import Pandas. Here's an example data frame. Now say df total score equals df score 1 dot fill na 0, which converts all NaNs to zeros, plus df score 2 dot fill na 0, and that's it. Here's how to replace NaNs from one data frame with the values from another data frame. First, import Pandas. Then import NumPy. Here's a data frame with some NaNs in it. Here's a data frame without NaNs in it. Then say combine equals df1.combine first df2 to replace the NaNs in df1 with the corresponding values in df2. And that's it. Here's how to write a data frame to a file. First, import Pandas. Here's an example data frame. Now set the file name. Now say df.toCSV file name, comma, index equals false to not write the index to the file, and that's it. I find writing the data frame to a file to be very helpful when I'm debugging. Like and subscribe. Okay, bye.